you someone who's struggling to have balance in your life? Now, see, if you really want to become successful, you need to focus on all these 5 key areas: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. Most of the time, people don't have balance. Most of the time, people are living our life. They don't know how to have balance in all these 5 key areas. The big problem is people don't know different ways to live an iron life, where we need to get success in health and career and relationship and money and spiritual. In today's video, I'm going to share you 5 ways so that you can start achieving balance in all these 5 key areas of life, and you can start living a beautiful life that you have always thought about. Hi, my name is Amol Karale. I am author of the best-selling book The Magic of Failure, and I have trained more than 20,000 plus people best version of themselves in all these 5 key areas of life. So first, let's start with the first way. What is the first way so that you can have a balanced life? Please make a lot of notes. I have made this mind map for all of you. I don't want to miss any pointers. So make a lot of notes which will help you to have balanced life, to live and life where you can get success in all these 5 areas. So the first way is, why do you want balance and where do you want balance? सबसे पहले आपको पूछना है कि भाई मुझे क्यों चाहिए? Why I want to live this balanced life and which are the key areas where I want to have balance? So when I started my journey, I was not living a balanced life. I was just focusing on to make money. The reason I failed in my business because of money. I was just focusing on my career and money. But the moment I decided that I want to become the best version of myself in all these 5 key areas. I was not knowing that there are 5 key areas, but when I started reading books and I started attending sessions from my mentor, I realized I want to learn all life. So my why was very strong because my health was not good. In 2018, because of stress and depression, my weight was around 108 kgs. My health was not good. I was not having a good career. My relationship was not good with my parents, with my wife. So all my 5 key areas were shattered. I was zero in all the key areas. And then I decided the reason I'm not getting success is because I'm not living a balanced life. And my why became very strong. And hence I call myself as version 2.0, where I started working on all the 5 key areas. But still, I'm working on few key areas. I'm not telling you that I have 10 out of 10 in all the key areas. But if you see my career, I would rate as 9. If you talk about my financial life, I would rate as 8. If you talk about my health, at least I'm better what I was in 2018. I will rate as 7. Still I'm working on my health. So I started living that life. So you need to know why do you want to balance and in which area you want to balance. That's one of the most important thing you should start writing. Suppose if you, let's assume you are giving a ranking. What I want after this video, give yourself a ranking from 1 to 10. Okay, 10 being the lowest, 1 being the highest. Let's assume your health is good, your BMI is in control, everything is good, then you can give yourself ranking as you're a top 3. But if you think no yaar, abhi bahut kaam karna hai health pe liye, so you give 9 yourself ranking. From 9 to reach at 1. So same thing, you can give ranking to your career, in your relationship, in your spiritual journey. So when I started my journey, as I said you, every area was 10. I was at the lowest. But from 10, I reached at 9, 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, and still I'm working on it. So you should know what are the scores in all these key areas of life. So why and where do you want to balance? That's number 1. That's the first way. Second way, please remove distractions. The reason you are not able to live a balanced life because you're getting distracted, you're getting addicted to social media, unnecessary, you're watching Netflix, you're scrolling down, you're trying to comparing your life with other people, you're going through Flipkart, Amazon, you're not doing any shopping, but you're just wasting your time. Unnecessary, you're watching Instagram reels which will not give you any success. If you really want to live a balanced life, remove distractions. Commit to yourself. You will just go and watch some social media or Facebook, Instagram, just 15-20 minutes in an entire day. Because the more you waste on your social media, you are playing with your own life. Please understand, social media will not help you. If you really want to use social media, use for your own content. See, I use my social media for my business. I make videos, you're watching my videos, I write posts, I write content for my benefit. And yes, I want to serve people with my videos. But you need to understand why you're using social media. If you're adding some values in people's life, then I will definitely suggest you use social media, share your thoughts, make some videos, share your content, and that's how you will evolve as a person. So unnecessary, don't waste your time. It will not help you. You will not be able to live a balanced life. In a third way, say no. Stop saying yes to everything. Don't try to become a yes person. हर चीज में yes मत बोलो. The biggest mistake which I've done in my corporate life, for everything I will say yes. Start saying no. If you think you are busy with some task and if your boss is telling you to do additional work, tell him no. I can't do this because I'm busy with this task. Whenever you are, suppose let's assume that you are at home, you have a Saturday, Sunday off. But sometimes boss will call you on Saturday and he will give you some work. Tell him, no, I can't do this because it's my weekly off. I want to spend a lot of time with my family. I want to spend a lot of time with my kids. Don't try to become a yes person. Please understand, the moment you start telling yes to everything, people will take you for a ride, people will take you for a granted. I have done the biggest mistake. Because of fear, I will always say yes to my boss. He will call me on Saturday, he will call at around 8:30, 9:30, 10 o'clock, he will do me something, I will tell yes, boss, abhi main kar deta hu. And he, he only will give me that entire work because he realized that I am a yes person. So start saying no. It's very important. Fourth way, be more specific in communicating your time to other people. Set your boundaries. Let's assume you want to meet your friend. Be very specific. Boss, I can meet you for 30 minutes. 30 minutes means 30 minutes. I can meet you for 1 hour. After 1 hour, just come. Just tell him कि बस 1 घंटे में मिल सकता हूँ, 1 ही घंटा मेरे पास टाइम है. Your time is precious, guys. Don't waste your time. If you're going for party, just think, नहीं यार मुझे 3 घंटा पार्टी में स्पेंड करना है. After 3 hours is done, I will come back. Respect your time. Because please understand, you can make a lot of money, but once the time is gone, time will not come back. You should be very specific. You should have your own boundaries. Set some timetable for you. For example, let's assume you love to wake up in the morning. If you think 1 hour I want to spend time with myself, inform your friend early morning I'm not available in WhatsApp, I'm not available in calls, because that 1 to 2 hours is with me. Once you reach your office, tell all your colleagues, your friends that evening time 2 to 3 hours I spend time with my family. Don't call me. I will not reply to any messages, because you should be very, very specific. If you're not specific and if you're just giving your times, it will not work. So that was the fourth way. Fifth, the final way, start spending time with yourself. Most of the people are making mistake. They're not spending time with themselves. Do your morning routines, do some meditation, write your goals, listen to some audios, listen to some podcasts, start reading books. Every night before going to sleep, you can read for 30 minutes, or every morning as soon as you wake up, you can read for 30 minutes. Start spending time with yourself. First, you have to start doing that self-care. The moment you care about yourself, everything will fall in place. Most of the time, I've seen people, they don't love themselves, they don't spend enough time with themselves, and hence you're not living a balanced life. So these are the 5 ways which can help you to get more success, which can help you to achieve more balance in your life. Let me recap. The first way was, you need to score yourself in all these 5 key areas: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. Why do you want to balance and where do you want to balance? Second way, remove distractions. Spend less time on social media. Don't get addicted to social media. Third way, say no. Stop saying yes to everything. Become a no person. Don't become a yes person. For everything, stop saying yes. Be very firm and tell politely no. Fourth way, be more specific in communicating your time to other people. You should have that awareness. When you set your own boundaries, set your own time boundaries, and be specific to it. You need to be very certain. This is my time for my family, this time for my work, this time with my friends, this time for party, this time for reading book. So you need to be very specific. Set your own boundaries. Fifth way, start spending time with yourself. And how you can spend time with yourself? Once you start doing some morning routines, once you start doing the meditation, anything which can help you to deal with your stress. So the moment you do this, you will see some amazing shift in your life. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel, because I am on a mission to transform billions of lives by helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. See you in my next video.